Everybody says you need more tools to grow your online business, more software, more subscriptions, more dashboards, a funnel builder, an email tool, a page builder, automation software, copywriting tools. And before you know it, you're drowning in logins and paying hundreds every single month. But what if that advice is completely wrong? What if the fastest way to grow is actually using less tools, not more? That's exactly why Bizora AI caught my attention. Because Bizora AI claims to do something kind of crazy. It says this one platform can replace your entire marketing stack. Funnels, emails, pages, automation, all powered by AI. So in this Bizora AI review, we're breaking down what it really does, how it works, and whether it can actually simplify your business the way they promise. Now here's the idea. Bizora AI is designed as an all-in-one AI marketing system. Instead of manually building everything from scratch, the AI helps you generate full funnels, landing pages, email sequences, and marketing campaigns automatically. So instead of staring at a blank screen thinking, what do I write or how do I design this? Bizora gives you a starting point instantly. Pages created, emails drafted, flows structured. You just tweak and launch. And honestly, that's where the real benefit is speed. If you're an affiliate marketer, coach, course creator, freelancer, agency owner, or even a beginner trying to launch your first offer, this can save you hours, sometimes days of setup time. Plus, managing everything in one place means fewer integrations, fewer tech headaches, and way less monthly cost. Instead of paying for 5 different tools, you're working from one dashboard. That's huge, especially if you want to move fast and test offers quickly. Now, in just a second, I'm going to play the official vendor explainer demo video so you can see exactly how Bizora AI looks inside, how funnels are created, and how the automation works step by step. Watch closely and imagine how much time you'd save if this was your daily workflow. If you want to check out Bizora AI for yourself, you'll find the product link right below this video where you can see all the features, pricing, and any available bonuses. And instead of me giving you my final verdict, I want your honest opinion. After you watch the demo, drop a comment and tell me, do you think one all-in-one AI tool like this could really replace your current marketing stack? Or do you prefer using separate tools? I'm curious what you'd actually use it for. All right, let's roll the Bizora AI demo and see it in action.
Hey there, welcome to this quick demo of Bizora AI, the self-working AI business system. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how anyone can turn a simple idea into a complete, sell-ready digital business, a professional business website, a mobile app experience, a human-like AI business agent, a built-in client and business finder, ready-to-use proposals, email sequences, social content assets, all of this from just one keyword, without coding, without designing, without hiring anyone, and without juggling monthly tools. Let's jump in. To begin, simply log in to your Bizora AI account using your email address and password. As soon as you log in for the first time, Bizora AI asks you to create your business. Here, you just enter your business name and upload your logo. This name becomes the foundation of your business identity and is used to generate your business structure and URL. Very important, allow location access, so Bizora AI can identify real local businesses in your local area. Once done, click Create Business. Now, this brings us to the core of Bizora AI. You're taken to a screen that says, Start your business with one keyword. Here, you can type any business idea, for example, dentist, fitness coach, real estate, restaurant, or anything you want. Once selected, just click Build My Business. And you'll see this happen live. Bizora AI starts building your entire business in the background. You'll see a live progress screen showing exactly what's happening, generating a high-converting website, training custom AI business agent, building the business finder engine, configuring email automation system, preparing mobile app architecture, generating QR scanner, creating social media post, no settings, no tools to connect. Everything runs automatically. This takes under 2 minutes. And it's done. Your digital business is ready. Here you can clearly see everything Bizora has created for you. Website, mobile app, AI agent, business finder, proposals, email, social content, QR scanner. You can preview website, mobile app, or any asset you want, regenerate it if needed, or simply move forward. When you're ready, click Go to Dashboard. This brings you to the main Bizora AI dashboard, where everything is organized in one place. This is your command center. At the top, you can instantly see option to create new business, then at right, total leads, total feedback. Everything is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. Just below that, you'll see the core systems, website system, AI agent, business finder, content suite. Just below, you'll find smart quick links at right, and most importantly, your business delivery panel. This is where you deliver work to clients. by just click on Open Delivery Panel button. You can preview or download the website, share the mobile app via QR code, copy AI agent embed links, export client proposals as PDF, download email sequences, download social media content. Everything is already packaged. You don't need to assemble anything manually. Now, let's start with the website from the main left menu. Here, you can instantly preview your fully built professional website in a desktop view, with the mobile app preview displayed on the right side. You also get a live website URL you can share immediately, the option to connect your own custom domain, so your website runs on your personal or client's domain, a downloadable QR code making it easy to share the website or mobile app instantly. Now, if you want to make changes, simply click on Edit. A drag-and-drop website editor opens, allowing you to customize text, images, sections, colors, layout, all with just a few clicks. Everything is fully editable. At the top, you can preview your website, switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, save your progress, track revisions, manage pages effortlessly. Once you're happy with the design, just click Save and Publish. No coding, no technical headaches. With Bizora AI's web design suite, you can launch professional, high-converting websites for yourself or your clients, quickly, easily, and effortlessly. Next, let's look at the AI agent. Bizora AI automatically creates a dedicated AI business agent for every business you build. On the right, you can see the live chat interface. This agent engages visitors, answers questions, and assists potential clients in real time, working 24/7 for the business. You can instantly copy the embed code, share the agent link, customize the agent, set live working hours, agent customization. Clicking on Customize takes you to a simple, step-by-step setup. Here, everything is organized into 4 clear steps. Avatar. Choose from 1,000 plus professional AI avatars or upload your own for personal branding. Appearance. Customize how your agent looks and behaves. Edit the agent's name, select language, set position, choose animations, adjust colors to match your brand, and select or clone a voice. Training. Train the agent using your business data so it responds accurately and professionally. This defines how smart and relevant your agent is. Setup. Set welcome messages, FAQs, lead capture, branding, and define working hours before going live. Once done, click Publish. Your AI agent is now live, ready to chat, capture leads, and support your business automatically. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a fully customizable AI business agent designed to support, engage, and convert without manual effort. Now let's move to the next option, Content Suite. This includes 3 powerful assets: AI proposals, email sequences, social media content. First, click on AI proposal. Here, Bizora AI generates a professional, client-ready proposal. You can send instantly. You can edit it, copy it, or export it as a PDF with a single click. Next, go to email sequences. Here, Bizora AI gives you a complete multi-email follow-up sequence designed to welcome, nurture, and convert leads automatically. You can download the entire sequence at once, ready to upload into any autoresponder or email marketing tool. Each email is fully editable. You can regenerate content by choosing your keyword, language, tone, and style. No copywriting skills, no complex setup, just proven, high-converting email sequences created automatically. Now let's move to social posts. This tool helps you create ready-to-publish social media posts in seconds. Bizora AI automatically generates a post image, a caption, based on your business keyword. You can preview, edit, copy, download, or regenerate posts instantly. Want more content? Just click Create New Asset. Choose your platform, language, tone, and style, and Bizora AI does the rest. Big picture. With the Content Suite, your proposals, follow-ups, and social content are all created for you and ready to use. Fast, flexible, and built for real client delivery. Now let's move to the next powerful tool, Business Finder. This is Bizora AI's built-in system to help you find real businesses with verified contact details based on your niche and location. At the top, you'll see 2 simple fields. Enter the business type, select the location, then click Search. Within seconds, Bizora AI shows a list of real businesses with available contact details. If a business already has a website, you can visit it instantly. And here's the real opportunity. If a business doesn't have a website, just click Add to List and save it as a lead. These are high-potential clients you can contact directly and offer services like website creation, branding, or digital marketing. To manage everything, click on Contact List. Here, you can view, manage, and export your leads for outreach or sales campaigns. Want more leads? Just click Find New Business and repeat the process. With Business Finder, you get ready to contact business leads in just a few clicks. Fast, simple, and highly effective. Now that your leads are ready, Bizora AI also includes a built-in CRM. Here, you can manage conversations, leads, and feedback from one simple dashboard, all automatically synced. Everything stays organized, so you can focus on closing and delivering. And that's it. From one keyword to a complete sell-ready digital business. Bizora AI doesn't help you build parts. Bizora builds the business. Get started with Bizora AI today.